home to vibrant culture and centuries-old temple towns, Tamil Nadu continues to play a vital role in driving economic growth and development for the nation. As efficient transportation is key to sustaining this momentum, Indian Railways continues to enhance rail connectivity across the state. Further expanding rail connectivity in the region, Hon'ble Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will flag off 5 new train services, including 2 Amrit Bharat Express trains connecting Tamil Nadu with key regions of the country. The Nagarkoil to Charlapalli Amrit Bharat Express and Podanur Coimbatore to Dhanbad Amrit Bharat Express will link Tamil Nadu with important economic and industrial centers. Both trains will enhance long-distance rail connectivity for traders, small businesses and working professionals. The Rameshwaram Mangaluru Express and the Tirunelveli Mangaluru Express will facilitate smoother travel between key cities and pilgrimage destinations such as the Ramanatha Swami Temple and many more. The Mayiladuturai Thiruvarur Karaikudi train service will further improve connectivity between key towns in the region, enhancing access to education, employment and economic opportunities. Together, these new train services reflect Indian Railways' continued commitment to strengthening connectivity and improving travel convenience for the people of Tamil Nadu.